Commissioner of Police are formerly known now or yes CID boss Maame Tiwaa adodankwa abaponten abekasa ede afa owura Kakaa Ibrahim Mohammed ni wono eho ayes wabechire mu police for information mo ewo branden ko afa so ewuye na ebizofo ni kase mu no cheyo say send that information about Bontu amount for Eka say woye face the country activists and no anything you couldn't some nessa and next year one more you show more do baby a woman show more one more no mako do baby na and rather crampono IGP or James or Pombwenu one face the country activists and penny for down no and no more echo closed door meeting our church more and someone who wedding come extensively at a day omonyo enti ase edi afa nyama bi ewo Ghana ha ye koso na say criminals bi a omon se da bontin the way ye handle crime issue no I mean say ametwale wo ewo no ehon semsem arrest ya make it say investigations no pepe so edunia ebefa ekomodi no ani nia no Maame Tiwaa ado ode etudwa ede esom ensemtrefo ebra ye ko no na so ye ede ni kodi ekomo na Kakaa de no na samafo team ensempanto de betu just say Kakaa wodo we no yentri face the country activity no emfimu krapo and I say ye krapo say face the country enti no we no ye no eto nchen na adefofo bi ewo ho ayes wo mo mu enhwemo enche wonsem ne aba beda abonti amagana fo bi atimi enya bi atese na be ya kom ye ani asundwe because wa atna o my Ghana mu na bi so fa so ne bakotie Maame Tiwaa adone nsem ode abetu dwa no meka mo say dweko people ye chi dom mo esa ya say ma ye de dwume de ebremo M𝒗rdered herbal center see ya fan so mo say na o ya we ni sifatie bia no sa brenya me adomo akyade a wo mutiri say ya we etu ya we efini pedwem wo na mani anambo ka say ya we kranko ana huhum bi ka na etiti obi a wo mo sa adomo akyade wo betimi ade abo asa nipa no nti say o hawi ya mabbo so no ebi e wo ni pedwem wo asthma wo pressure low sperm count wo mo edbo wo pam ha wo bim esi etu etwa M𝒗rdered herbal center ewo anwedo nti for mo numbers na echego awase wo na biem so po mecha kwan ewo dance man akra ha biem so msa ewo tamale eno no eso ewo northern region na wo mtibi emwa ebusafo yenkotie COP Maame Tiwaa ado emrasisia
this today the leadership of Face the Country movement met with the IGP and some management members, and I think the meeting lasted close to 2 hours, and that they came to first to find out why Kakaa's murder, we haven't investigated it, and then some other murders, including the murder of M𝒗rdered. So IGP took time to explain the procedures of investigation, and then the fact that we haven't come out with certain information, the process, where we are in terms of our investigation doesn't mean we haven't done anything. And that, in terms of M𝒗rdered, we've gone very far and getting information about the death and whoever is involved. He also explained that whenever they want to have a demonstration, the 5 days doesn't mean they should give exactly 5 days and then the end of the 5 days they want the information, the demonstration to continue. It is likely that the police may have some information that might not be suitable for the day that they have chosen. So they need to work together with the police to come out with appropriate date that will fix that will enable the police to provide security for both the demonstrators and then the sitting room. And he also mentioned that whenever they have to come to the police and they have to agree with the rules, the police might have certain information that they may not be privy to. So they need to sit down and work together with them. They complain about so many things that IG also took time to explain to them. In terms of the Kakaa's murder, IGP told them that they gave impression that nothing was not being done and that the person was attacked by people who were angry because he is an outspoken person or that. But investigation has revealed that it is actually not the case. And that because the case is still under investigation, he doesn't want to compromise the investigation by disclosing whatever that we've done at this stage. And that at the appropriate time, whatever investigation would have come out with will be made available to the general public. Then we took time to explain certain processes and procedures that we have. And he also promised that his telephone number is available. Some of our telephone numbers are also available. The chief staff officer's telephone number is available. And that when they go to Accra region and they encounter any difficulty, his doors are always open and they could come to him for some clarifications, because at the end of the day, what we want is that the demonstrators and everybody involved and those who are even bystanders will be protected. And he also emphasized that the police is not against any demonstrator, not at all, and that the police hasn't taken sides, and that the side that we have taken is such that everybody will be protected. So sometimes when they come and we are not able to give them what they want, it is because that they may not be suitable. And he gave an example of sometimes something will happen and you have to move people from other places to go. So it's a matter of planning and knowing the number of policemen who will be available to police the demonstrators. So they should work together with the police, clarify any issue that they don't understand, and at the end of the day, the demonstration will go on and nobody will be affected negatively. So these were the issues that we discussed.
They also said they follow like
and no, the Ghana for pan say, and summer air coso here, say, baby, munia chemono, Beba Bontina, Bayan Penifom, the Nisa police for 7 penny, Meba, Mobeka Sadia for a chim year, 90 Sapa, Nese, Abotoyama, 89 Sena police for Abecanana, Maame, Tiwaa, Abeka, and Sabagana for say, Sasana tell their and Ombenio train home, and Yakumatoyam, Aldi, a trainer, and some Munisha Mupapi, Abeta, but there is expectation I a war of police for and no say a same senior police quite so woman she won't pass na will be an womb piano one more action and answer point some no say first year no much muna and just say 29 say and I echo the night said the papa one in for almost so on got on board my partner the womb piano momu nyaka tasumo asubia yanka to obia so and you be seen chain and confirm be metwe bi mu da bi yanka sam no say the fate yan fate no ye enye adwuma na bi womb piano meda pontin no bi no empty asenti na e Ghana for nsem nya wo bonto for mbeto mo nkyere say that's a good start say police for the way mo handle eye owura Kakaa Ibrahim mo are ni wo no ensem no a good start pa to mo to aso na munye edwuma pa e wo sakwan so na mom so wonso wa dwen for e defa ensem yi wo ene eye ensem awodo a eye Maame Tiwaa ado e de betodwa mo mo de ne fato e wo comment section ho na biem no share video way on other social media platforms. Follow M𝒗rdered on Instagram, Twitter, so at @m𝒗rdered_ Facebook, M𝒗rdered. Midi dina na ama uswa. Yeba sign edi shape. Makramunya, bye bye.